Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video to the end. I really do appreciate it. Um, Make sure you click the little bell so that it notifies you and all that kind of good stuff. Anyway, I want to take a look at Bitcoin and see where we're at on Bitcoin. Moving along right nicely. I thought this was going to go a little bit lower, but we had quite a rally out of this 39 area, which is good. Buying pressure is coming back in. What we did was we broke that descending channel that we had formed right here, and we really had a nice rally um, off of that break of that descending channel, which was nice to see. I would have liked for it to come lower because I had a bunch of orders sitting down here that was just going to trigger. Um, I, you know what? The majority of the people that I talk to, they think we're going to move up right from here. And I tell you the truth, this is a very bullish candle. This looks great. This looks like the beginning back over here, right in this area. Um, and we got a nice flag going on here. Very nice flag going on. It, you know how the market is. Nobody knows where it's going to go. But I really still feel like we need to move lower on this position. I think we need to at least come back down to this 44.5 area and form that head and shoulders, right? I'd like to see it go even lower than that. I'd like to see us come back down here and still hit this maybe touch this 39, even maybe into the 38 area is what I'd actually like to see. Does it look like it's going to do that? No, it doesn't. But um, I still have somewhere I'd like to see our price move much. I'd like to see our price move back down and have some kind of decent divergence on this relative strength. We not only broke our descending channel on our price, but we broke our descending channel on our relative strength down here. Right at this point here, we had broken our relative strength right here at the bottom, and that was able to push us back up. I would still like to see this relative strength come back down, and I'd like to see it go lower. I'm going to see it. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? But I'd like to see at least just come back. I'd like to see this have a retracement on here, and maybe make a inverted head and shoulders to move back up. We'll see how it goes. But this is looking good. I'm definitely bullish on Bitcoin, and we'll have to see how it plays out, right? So, but I guarantee if I see it moving back down, I'm gonna have my orders ready. And this was a good buying zone here. And if it moves back down, even if it moves lower than than this area right here, even if it would move lower, as long as we don't break this line, I'm a buyer. So I still have my orders waiting. So let's look at it on a lower time frame. Our area of capitulation on a lower time frame is this right here. This is our area of capitulation. And so as long as the price is above that, I'm bullish on it. I'm bullish. I would think that we'd come back down at least to, if we see that break, I think we'd come back and at least see this 44.5 area and make that inverted head and shoulders, right? Still, again, I would love to see it come a little bit lower and come back down a little bit lower and then take off from there. But we'll see what happens. Everybody needs to trade the market. If nothing, for nothing more than just the mentality of trading the market. Uh, you have to have failures in life. It, it it's a I mean, it's an essential part of life. Um, and you have to be able to deal with those failures. Look at this. This is interesting. In the market, you have one failure after one success, after one failure, after a success. Um, it's how you deal with those out of the ashes, right? Out of the ashes. And the market gives you that opportunity to go through that cycle many times. It's very important to go through that cycle. Everybody needs to think that they're going to be a famous musician or actor or a famous athlete or something, and then fail at it. You need to lose your dreams a couple times in life. You really do. It's a really important part of life. Uh, Losing something that's very important to you, or that you think at the time is very important to you, and the market allows, and then reacting right afterwards. In the end, saying, okay, well, I would have loved to have done that thing, or I would have loved to have been this person or that person, but this is life, and now what do I have in my hands? Where can I go from here? The market allows you to do this over and over again, this rising from the ashes experience, and it's a thing that everybody needs to become very familiar with. It is your best friend. Rising from the ashes is your best friend. So it keeps you able to continue to become a productive person throughout your life, um, without taking too many pit stops. Let's say that. So we all need to be able to learn how to rise from the ashes, and the market is an excellent teacher. An excellent teacher. This is one. I mean, everybody should trade and lose just for this purpose. Anyway, look. Okay, so we got this descending. We got this ascending channel. This is a very nice flag. This looks so bullish. I mean, we got our relative strength coming down. Look at that. Look at that divergence we have. Relative strength came just as low. Price is higher. Um, all of this looks very bullish. And still yet, I believe we need to have a retracement. Could be completely wrong. All of this is just so bullish. I mean, look at that flag. Relative strength going down, prices moving up. Look at that flag. Higher highs, or technically higher highs. Most people would say, not, higher highs, price going higher, higher lows. I mean, look at that flag. This could build and just take off. This probably will build and just take off. I still would like to see it come back and either form that head and shoulders or even make a newer low. So that was what I would like to see. Um, I would definitely, if it started falling, if it breaks this area of capitulation on our hourly, I would be looking at the a target of the top of this descending channel. So somewhere around this arm, top of this descending channel, and I'd like to see it move at least back to the 42 area. I'd like to see it move lower than that. Anyway, that's what we have for today, though. That's what I have for today. Um, Very bullish. Bitcoin's going to change the world. Bitcoin already has changed the world. Cryptocurrency is going to change the way everything is done, and it already has, and it's going to continue to. Uh, just so excited about the future, right? I hope your trading is going well. This is what I have for you today. You all are beautiful, and I will see you next time.